This is the LFX engine that's going to be transplanted into the LLT if it becomes possible. But the engine assembly is done, finished, and ready for install. It's a 2014 brand new engine and transmission with all the modifications made for the twin turbo setup already in the vehicle. All of the gauging, all of the extras. We have nitrous for a 50 horsepower whole shot only. We hardly ever would use that. And we also have water meth injection, a dual stage snow system. We have the oil supply coming right from the pump and going out to the coolers and filters and back into the engine. Manifolding for gauges, vacuum, boost sources. Transmission. Cooling lines for the filters and coolers for the transmission. Quadruple wrapped downpipes, stainless steel, because the turbochargers are mounted in the rear and the entire system is insulated. Keep the heat energy in. All we have to do now is work out the compatibility issues between the new Delphi ECM and the body control modules on the LLT. And that is a tremendous effort and a holdup right now. But working on it. We're forging ahead. This is it.